Do you still have any more of those human snacks? I ate all mine, huh?
Nobody asked for your opinion.
Whee! Welcome to the Worker Drones Cat Cafe. Meow.
What would you like to order, Master?
Suicide prevention, please hold.
Wow, you two look adorable in those costumes. But what's a cat cafe?
A cat cafe themed cafe whose attractions are little cats.
It's a human thing. Me and Uzi always wanted to try.
Y como andaba re feliz me puse a bailar cueca a lo choro tiki 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 taca taca ta teque teque 9 ratatata y me fui corriendo a comer asao y achu.
I mean, who doesn't want to pet cute little cats while they eat?
We technically don't know where or how to find cats on this planet, but I think we'll suffice. Don't you think so, Anne? Meow. Don't you want to pet the cutest creatures of the human world while eating the sweetest of desserts?
Suicide prevention, please hold.
Meow.
Come on, En. Join us?
Oh, okay, I'm in. Cats are the cutest creatures of the human world. Just like you two.
I object! It's rabbits are cute, not cats. Then, how dare you side with the enemy? You're supposed to be with us.
Oh my gosh, you two look so cute!
No! Cats are cuter than rabbits!
I-L-L-I-G-A-M, Dilligan, and it means, do I look like I give a fuck?
We're soft, fluffy, cute.
Do I look like I give a fuck?
Not to mention messy, who likes to break furniture and are needy.
Do I look like I give a fuck?
Like rabbits aren't? We need N. You got Thad over there. Just use him instead.
Nobody asked for your opinion.
Whee! N is ours.
He's moral support and you know it!
Guys,
What?
why not just have a joint themed cafe?
Nobody asked for your opinion.
Whee!
That way both sides get N. And no one gets hurt. A win-win situation.
Best Thad decision ever.
Suicide prevention, please hold.
You're getting a raise, Thad.
Finally, my job here is done. I got a raise, sweet.
Wow, these